Listen up, apes. Incoming intel. Yeah, you've seen the headlines, you've seen the price drops, and what you're feeling right now, that's not just market jitters. No, that is a coordinated psychological attack. But what the suits don't know is that we found a glitch in their system, a fatal flaw that proves we've already won. All right, let's get into it. First thing you got to understand is that every dip, every red candle, every negative news article, it isn't random. It's a psychological operation. They are deliberately trying to shake you, to test your resolve, because they are bleeding out and they're desperate. See this? This is what I'm talking about. The mainstream media, they're puppets. They were broadcasting fear on every single channel, pushing this idea of a correction. They weren't giving you analysis. No, they were trying to create a panic, to get you to sell, to make you think the play was over.
We have a name for this garbage. It's called FUD. Fear, uncertainty, doubt. And you have to see it for what it is, a weapon. It is the last resort of an enemy that's been backed into a corner. Why? Because the hedgies who bet against this company, they're trapped, completely and totally trapped.
Now, this isn't just a feeling, all right? We've got the receipts. There is a piece of data from back in early 2021 that is the glitch in their matrix. It's the one number that proves the entire official story is a lie. It proves they're trapped. Here it is, 114%. This was the officially reported short interest on GameStop in mid-January 2021. And let me tell you, this number breaks their whole game. To understand why, you gotta know what short interest even means. Get this. A short interest over 100% means that the hedge funds shorted more shares than actually exist. How is that possible? It's not. It's the glitch. It's the mathematical proof that they cheated, that they broke the system, and that they created phantom shares out of thin air. It proves they are lying. So here's the deal. They tried to sell you this story that short interest magically fell to 39%, that the squeeze was over, that the hedgies covered. That is a lie. The truth? They never closed. They just hid their short positions by creating millions of synthetic shares. They didn't get rid of the rocket fuel, they just buried it. And we know exactly where it is. So you're probably asking, how in the world did they think they could get away with this? Well, I'm about to pull back the curtain. We're going to expose their entire playbook, the exact mechanism they used to rig the game against you. The whole scam relies on a dirty little secret about how your trades are handled. It's about what happens in the milliseconds after you hit that buy button, because your order, well, it doesn't go where you think it does. It's called payment for order flow. You hit buy on an app like Robinhood, but instead of your order going to the open market, Robinhood sells it to a market maker, a predator like Citadel Securities. Citadel gets to see your move before it even happens, and they can legally use that information to trade against you. It's a rigged game, always has been. And if you ever needed proof that the game was rigged, this was it. January 28th, 2021. The day the rocket was taking off, the day we were winning, they just turned off the buy button. They said it was a liquidity issue. Another lie. They stopped the momentum because we were breaking them. They even dragged these guys into Congress. And this guy, Ken Griffin, the CEO of Citadel, looked the American people in the eye and, under oath, was asked if he pressured Robinhood. His answer? Absolutely not. Liars. The whole system investigated itself and, big surprise, found nothing wrong. You see, this is why we can't trust them. The game is rigged, the refs are paid for, so we had to find another way to win. And that's exactly what we did. Out of their corruption, we forged a new strategy, a final stand, a way to take our ball and go home, leaving them with nothing but their fake synthetic shares. It's called DRS, the Direct Registration System, and it is our silver bullet. This is the community's cheat code. It takes your shares out of their corrupt brokerage system and puts them in your name, truly yours. Once a share is directly registered, they can't borrow it, they can't use it against you. It's out of their hands for good. So this is it. This is the battle plan. You ignore the noise. You trust the data, the real data. You let the paper hands fold. We don't need them. We have diamond hands. We hold, we HODL, because they have infinite risk, and we have the truth. The MOASS is inevitable. Look, just remember, this is all educational banter, okay? This is not financial advice. At the end of the day, the market is a casino, and the house has been trying to rig the game for a long, long time. But this time is different. This time, we found the glitch. We know their playbook. We know the way. So, stay strong. I'll see you on the moon. We are watching this chart like a hawk. While you wait for the next candle, grab your free gear. Sign up for Public to get $20 in free assets, check Webull for that BTC promo, or grab your NVDA stock on Moomoo. Links are in the description. Do me a favor, smash the like, subscribe to the tribe, because apes together are strong.